In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background to multiple slides in PowerPoint. This technique is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their presentations with a dynamic and eye-catching element. We'll walk through the process step by step so you'll be able to achieve a seamless video background that will impress your audience. Let's begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your presentation file ready to go. If you haven't started a presentation yet, feel free to create a new one. Once you have your presentation open, navigate to the specific slides where you want to add a video background. You'll want to have these slides in mind as we proceed through the steps. Next, direct your attention to the top of your PowerPoint window where you'll find the toolbar. Click on the Insert tab. It's crucial because it's the gateway to adding various multimedia elements into your presentation. Once you're in the Insert menu, you'll see several options, but for now we'll focus on adding a video. Click on the Video option. This is where you can choose the type of video you want to include. For today's tutorial, we'll select Stock Videos. This feature provides you with a gallery of pre-made videos that you can choose from. It's an excellent resource for finding high-quality videos without the need to scour the internet. Take your time browsing through the gallery and pick a video that complements the theme and tone of your presentation. Remember, your background video should enhance your slides, not distract from the content. After choosing your desired video, the next step is to click on Insert. This action will add the video to the slide that you're currently working on. Don't worry if the video isn't in the exact position you want just yet, we'll adjust it shortly. Now click on the video to select it. With the video selected, press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. This command effectively cuts the video, meaning it's ready to be placed elsewhere. Our goal is to move it to the slide master, allowing it to run seamlessly across multiple slides. Navigate to the View tab at the top of your screen. This tab provides different ways to view your presentation, and what we're interested in is Slide Master. Click on Slide Master, and this view will help us apply the video background to more than one slide efficiently. In the Slide Master view, navigate through the different slide layouts available. Choose the slides where you want your video background present. Here's a handy tip. Use Ctrl+V to paste the video into these slides. By pasting the video in the Slide Master, it automatically applies the video background to all slides that derive from that master template. And there you have it, you've successfully added a video background to multiple slides in PowerPoint. Your presentation now has a dynamic and modern look, captivating your audience right from the start. Remember, the key is to choose a video that enhances rather than overwhelms your presentation. With this simple method, your slides are sure to make a lasting impression.